This lonely Saturday afternoon, I decided to prepare for my ridiculously hard religion exam that I'm taking next Monday. Who was Titus? What does the Greek word antonymium mean? Locate Pergamum on a map. If you're like me, then you can see why I was studying on the weekend. I was ready to sink into despair and abandon myself to destruction. Then I saw her, the library girl. I had seen her twice before. Perhaps she had shared an interest in people watching as well. I tried to get her attention by looking extra studious, because everyone knows a woman loves a hard worker. Sadly, the excessive highlighting wasn't working. Suddenly, I lost her. Where was she? It seemed that I was doomed to repeat the past and be forever alone. But wait, there she was, right by the printer. Oh, that library girl, probably printing a flawless research paper about solving world hunger. Then it hit me. Pull out your stapler, man. In utter shock, I watched as she approached my table. "Can I borrow your stapler?" she asked. "Why, of course. Haven't I seen you before?" And that's how I got my first phone number from a girl.